This is 12th lesson, image processing and quality assurance. So first, film storage conditions. A. Storage condition. mm, B. Safe light illumination. Summary. Film should be stored in a cool, dry environment under the 70 °F and between 40% and 60% humidity. Excessive temperature can cause film fog. Excessive low humidity encourages build up a static electricity. Film should be stored away from the radiation and chemical. The film works expiration date expiration date should be noted and old film used first. Film box should be stored upright to avoid productions of the pressure mark. The Kodak Return Series 6B and 6BX darkroom filter are the most frequent used. The shape light should be placed 4 feet from the work surface and 7.5 to 15 watt light bulb. Next, cassette routine care artifact. Next, A is routine care. B, artifact. Summary. Cassette should be stored upright according to size and speed. The cassette should be tested periodically to adequate screen film contact. Intensify screen must be cleaned up periodically with anti-static screen cleaner. Inadequate cleaning can be result in while pinhole type film or artifact. Rough improper handling or storage of the cassette can lead to damage resulting in a poor screen film contact. The film must be handled carefully and properly to avoid artifacts such as static electricity, scratches, fog, or keychain mark. Next is image identification. A. Essential information. Type of system. Summary. Medical legal implications require that every image include the patient name or identification number, left right side marker, examination date and name of institution. When the multiple images are taken of a patient the same date, the time of the date should be indicated on each image. Some image identification system can be used only in a dark room. Other film CR identification system use specially cassette and are used in daylight condition. Next, film film processing. A chemical overview. Summary. Developer solutions reduce exposure silver bromide crystals to back metallic silver. The developer processing is gently affected by the developer time greatly affect temperature and capacity activity. The sodium or potassium carbonate provide the necessary alkalinity and function as the solution activator by the swelling the glutathione emulsion. The reducing agent are phenomidone and hydroquinone. Sodium sulfide or the Cyclone preserve the developer solution from the excessive oxidation. The the glutaraldehyde is the hardener added to developer solutions control excessive swelling. The potassium bromide serves as an anti-fogging agent and restrain developer from the attacking unexposed silver bromide crystal. The potassium bromide is starter solution is not required in the replenisher solution. The fixing or the clearing agent anominium thiosulfide remove exposed silver bromide crystal from the emulsion, preventing further exposure. As acetic acid provides the necessary acidic medium for the fixer solution. Potassium alum and potassium chloride serve as the hardener film emulsion. The fixer preservative is the sodium sulfide. The adequate washing of the residual chemical from the film emulsions is essential for the good archival quality. P transport system. This is the automatic processor. C replenishment system. D temperature regulation. E recirculating system. F wash and dryer system. G silver recovery. H processor maintenance. Next, turbo common troubleshooting common processor problem and their causes. Next is summary. The transport system function to recovery to convey the film through the different process section by mean a series of roller. The transport system consists of the feed tray, crossover roller, deeper rack, turnaround assemblies, and the recycle bin. The last set of the roller in each solution section has a squeeze action of film emulsion, thus the removing excess solution before film entering the next tank. The turnaround assemblies are located at the bottom of the deep rack. They serve to change the film direction from the downward to upward motion. Guides are also located where film must change direction. The replenishment system keeps solution tank full. The replenishment system assures that the proper solution concentration is maintained. Developer temperature is usually maintained at 92 to 95 Farad. Developer temperature is thermostatically controlled and the developer solution is circulated through a heat exchanger under the fixer tank. The recirculating system provides the agitating necessary for film for uniform section, concentrate the concentration and keep fresh solution in contact with the emulsion. Through the removal of the chemical solution from a film, emulsion is required a good archival film quality and provided by the wash section of the automatic processor. The dryer temperature is usually 120 Farad to 130 Farad, sufficient to shrink the emulsion without being excessive. Unexposed silver is removed from the film during the fixer process, and most of it is removable through the silver recovery. method. Silver recovery is desirable to financial and the ecological region. There are the three types of the silver recovery method: metallic displacement, electrolysis, electrolytic second, and the precipitated precipitate. Sensometry, metallic displacement, electrolysis, and the precipitate. Sensometry is measured of film response to exposure and the processing and used to monitor quality control. The processing digital and electronic image. These are the processing digital and electronic image. Computer radiography, histogram, value, partition pattern, and exposure field recognition. D. Post processing image manipulation. E. Image image communication and the interpretation. Summary: computer radiography use special detector screens called photostimulating phosphorus PSP screen. The exposure PSP is placed in CR reader and scanned with a narrow laser beam. Pixel data from the reader display on the monitor as the radiographic image. A histogram is graphically representation define all the grayscale value of the particular image. A processing algorithm is select with when a radiographer select the part and projection on the computer. A lookup table is like a characteristic curve for the particular automatical part and is modified by the radiographer during any window of the image. Histogram analyze and appreciate LUT together function to produce predictable image quality in CR. The CR image can be manipulated by the radiographer, i.e. windowing, modifying the LUT, change contrast or density. When more than one image is made on PSP and CR reader can be analyzed using the partitions pattern recognition method or the exposure field recognition method. With picture archival and communication system in teleradiology, digital image can be sent anywhere there is equipment to receive or display them. The hard copy can be made of the film by using laser printer. First question: the developer temperature in a 90-second automatic processor is usually approximately. Answer is 90 farad to 95 farad. The exposure PSP is subject of a neural laser beam. Answer is in CR reader. The histogram demonstrate of a pixel value distribution can be changed affected by the following. Answer is section of processing algorithm and processing delayed and centering. Fourth question, the amount of the replenishment solution added in the automatic processor is determined by. Answer is film, size of film, position of film on tray, feeding into processor, and length of time required the film enter in processor. Next question, type of post processing of the electric digital image include. Answer is type of post processing electrical and digital image include. Answer is image stitching, contrast enhancement, window. Contrast enhancement and window. Now next question, what is likely cause of film emerging from the automatic processor to damp condition? Answer is insufficient hardening action. Next is the visible latent image is converted into visible manifest image in the. Answer is in the developer. Next, poor storage or handling practices that can be result film fog include. Answer is outdated film and exposure to the excessive temperature and exposure to chemical fume. Next question is, which of the following device function to produce hard copy digital image? Answer is laser printer. Next question is, a CR histogram is a graphic representation of. Answer is a grayscale value of the digital part, value of image part. Thank you.